All four of these have the ECM condenser fan motor VFD drive. It's a good thing I caught one starting up. I didn't check out this motor, I don't think. These are really nice. This one is starting. And there's some more on the way. Two Mitsubishi. They're not running now. This one is an Emerson electric motor. This one has. These are gonna go bye-bye soon, so. But yeah, this one is gonna be next to startup. You see, this is open. So there's a risk of electric shock, so they should keep that closed so we don't touch anything in there because the power is on to this AC unit. And this one will be next to startup. I thought this one already started. This one is running. The light is on. This one also has the LED relay. This one's also running. My favorite number, 9. It took a long time for that fan to start up. Here are the tiny ones. None of these have started up yet. Gentech thermally protected longer. Look at how tiny. Filter dryers. Filter dryers outside instead of inside. ProTech electric motor. I love those motors. These are very nice, especially these. But I like the bigger Rheems.